In this video, let me show you how to change the virtual assistant speech volume on MG-MS6. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to swipe to the left, and here let's tap the settings. From the list of settings, from the left tab, you have to choose here the sound section. Under the sound, you've got access to all of the adjustments with your sound, and one of them is here the voice volume. So this slider controls how loudly the car's virtual assistant speaks back to you. When you ask the car a question or give a voice command, the settings changes the loudness of the assistant's reply. So you can decide how loud you would like to use the voice assistant, and as you can see, you can adjust it to your needs. For example, you can use the different volume of your voice and different volume of the navigation and multimedia, so it's quite useful. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.